Friday, 5:45. What do gummy bears and French fries have in common? You're gonna have to wait and find out. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Oh! Let's say it together. On a count of three, it is Friday, October 24th, 2025. On a count of three, let's all say it together. Regardless of where you are in the world, what time of day, evening, night you're watching this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Love me Fridays. That's right, folks. It's Friday in the great communist state of New York. And today, at 12:30, we're going to be barbecuing hamburgers. That's right, folks. I got my Royal Oak lump charcoal. I got my chimney. And I got my grill. And I got a little fire starter right there. We are finally going to be grilling here at Pipe Doctor. It's quite interesting. When we put together this facility at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere 2.5 years ago, all of the shelving that you see here, and it's a lot of shelving here, man, it's expensive. And one of the great things about Uline, not only do they pick up the phone with a live person, the phone rings, it's a live person. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And I've called them on like New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and actually had a conversation with them like, listen, we are very well compensated for working at this great company. And I was like, I love answering the phone here and helping people and placing orders. I'm like, wow, that is awesome. Because when you call Uline, they pick up the phone without having to hear an auto attendant. Like, for sales, press 1. For billing, press 2. No, none of that shit. You call Uline, they pick up the phone. Day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every single day of the year. They're awesome. So when I purchased all this shit, right, one of the perks, even that, look at that, that was a free gift, was a grill with the Weber. And it's a Weber grill. It's awesome. So it sat in the back, in the back corner by the back door. God bless our king. It sat there for a while, and we didn't use it. So today we're going to use it, and I've been using it in my house too, though. I got some tins. We need some extra tins. Did I need? Nah, I didn't really need. I had. But I went to Restaurant Depot. I got some tins. I got a special seasoning for the barbecue. Special seasoning, folks. I have plenty of hamburgers. Plenty of hamburgers. All right, 12, 24. We have 24 hamburgers. Plenty of drinks. We got goose. We got French fries. And back up, we have the hot dogs, but we're not going to need them. I probably should take some out, right? Fuck that. We could grill hot dogs. Anyway, yesterday, a popular topic in the news besides our king, Donald Trump, tearing down the White House. They're actually saying that he's tearing down the White House. It is by far, the largest modification or construction project that any president has undertook, but a lot of presidents haven't made changes to the White House. Nixon added a bowling alley. Clinton added a massage parlor room. But we finally having a ballroom. It's not costing the U.S. taxpayers anything for the construction of such. Maintenance and upkeep? Okay, listen. $300 million project was donated. Yeah, take care of that shit. It's like interest. But yesterday, a major topic in the news was, and I don't get this. There's got to be something going on with this. the gambling in the NBA, players and coaches throwing games. Huh? Yeah, folks. Let's talk about that. Let's really talk about that. But first, I gotta have an espresso. All right, folks. We have some posters to mail out today. 3 posters. It's been a while. But without further ado, let's get the show on the road, folks. I got my handy dandy Sharpie. Limited edition, version 2.0. We're at number 112. 112 is going to Mr. Waters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Thank you so much for your very kind and generous donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization, where we provide free or low cost, usually free, plumbing, heating, cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. Mr. Waters, you're getting a boatload of stickers. It's going in there right now. I'll even give you a magnet. I have no more pens left. We gave them all out already, I'm sorry. But Mr. Waters, you got number 112. Janine will be bringing this to the post office today. And you'll get it whenever the post office decides to deliver it to you. There you go, Mr. Waters. There's your tracking number. Boom. All right, next. This is going to be 113 of 150, the 2025 issue. This is a free poster, compliments of a generous benefactor to the nonprofit. And this is going to Dan Bowers in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. Thank you very much for being a supporter of the channel. You're getting a poster. No stickers. Sorry. No stickers. I just didn't feel like it. Okay, and 114 of 150, the 2025 poster. Let me just write the next one so I know what the next number is, because I'm going to forget. 114, I'm going to use the red Sharpie. Mikey Pipes. Thank you. William in Brewster, Massachusetts. Now, you sent me an email the other day. I'm going to give you a Hats Bring Me Stack sticker. Put that in there for you, and I'll give you one of those too. Only because you live near someone. I think Brewster's near New Bedford, and it'd be really nice if you plaster one of those stickers on someone's mailbox. Yeah, I think it'd be pretty fucking tits. Okay, so there we go. Now, what I don't understand, folks, hold on, let me put this over here before I forget. What I don't understand, folks, is that you have these NBA players and apparently a coach or two fucking around and trying to fix the game. So the mob and others allegedly can make money off of it. Let's all just suck that in for a minute. Right? Just hear me out for a quick second. You have these NBA, let's call them employees, right? Making some serious bank. Why the fuck would they want to fuck around to make what, a little extra money? Something's not right, folks. Something's not right. And I think that this is a prime example of follow the money. I think there's more to the story that we have not yet been told in the news by the FBI and the authorities investigating this. I think there's a lot more going on that we weren't told. And I think they were following the money. There's no way that you're making millions upon millions of dollars a year and you want to fix a game? Nah, something's not right. You know what I mean? Something's not right. Just something's not right. Last night, I was I was in the shower, right? And I'm looking at the shower drain, which is slowly creeping up the water level. I'm like, fuck. I'm like, damn, man. Like, I don't want to really mess with this thing, man. This is like, this is not fun, you know? So it's pretty gross. And I was thinking about making a video, but it's not the OnlyFans channel, so it's only YouTube, but I was going to do a video like where I'm singing in the rain, right, taking a shower, and then I go, ah! And I look down at the drain, and I see my long and huge schlong being flooded by the rising water levels in the great flood that's happening in my shower. But I didn't make the video because I didn't want to get demonetized and possibly, you know, terminate my YouTube relationship as a creator. Because it's fun. It really is fun. I enjoy this. I enjoy the Uncensored channel. I enjoy the main Pipe Doctor channel where I show the work that we do. I am focusing more on trying to instruct and show step by step how I troubleshoot and then make the repairs during each service call that I document. And the feedback that I get from the community, you guys, is it's quite epic. It's really cool. I love it. And it's my pleasure to interact with you guys. And I really appreciate all the support from the entire community. It's amazing. It really is. All right, I want to get this video uploaded quick. If you live or you are going to be in the Long Island area, New York City, later today, starting at 12:30 until we run out. I don't want to be here till 4 o'clock, but starting at 12:30, we're going to fire up the grill probably around a little after 12. We're going to start grilling at 12:30, and we are going to have some fun. I have, to my knowledge, 2 potential clients coming in. They want to see the ACIQ. They want to see how Whisper Quiet really is, how it performs, the communicating abilities of it. And one guy actually wanted a much more expensive system, a Bosch. He's been watching the videos and the channel for quite some time. And I said, yeah, no problem. Like, send me some pictures of what you got. I try to do things remotely now, virtually. Send me some pictures of what you have. Let me send you over some quotes. And if it's in the ballpark of what you're looking to do in your home, I'm going to come out there and then we'll finalize the deal, take some measurements, collect the deposit, have a nice day. And he goes, you know what? I'm really intrigued by this communicating feature. One of them said to me on a phone call yesterday. I'm like, it's incredible, right? The technology is here now where all the components know what's doing, right? It knows if the filter is dirty because of increased pressures. Increased pressures? Yeah, well, increased static pressures. And it'll ramp up fan speed to compensate for that. And it'll let you know in your app, like, hey, Mikey Pipes, your filter is dirty. Your filter possibly could be dirty. Check your filter. That's pretty fucking cool. And what I really like is like the filter on it right there on the bottom of the air handler is magnetic. It's magnetic. Like, it pops off, pops on. Sweet. Really is sweet. I don't get the remote control that they give you with this air handler. It's not like, you're going to be able to see this thing sitting in your living room. Like, oh, let me turn on the TV. Let me turn on the air conditioner. But the remote, which is the thermostat, looks like an Ecobee. It dropped on the floor. See, it's cracked a little bit, but 2 wires, baby. 2 wires. Oh, shit, it's dropped on the floor again. But if you come down to 1010 Central Avenue, if you're an HVAC contractor, you can learn how to increase value for your business and give your customers an exceptional product at a fraction of the price of a Carrier Infinity, for example. You can become a dealer, and if you would like some information, if you're a homeowner, we have plenty of information to give to you on the products that we offer. And what's best is that private label out of the box. When you order an ACIQ system as a dealer, there's no labeling on it other than build your brand, private label. Details at aciq.com/Mikey Pipes. All right, open enrollment is going to close Sunday for the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy training facility here. We're going to start classes probably next week, but open enrollment is closing Sunday. So right now it is the 24th of October, 25th, 26th. You have the end of the business day East Coast time on the 26th to send me an email, mike@mikeypipes.com. We'll get you enrolled. It is open to those in the trades. Please don't be a homeowner. I'm not dedicating time so you can learn how to fix your stuff. That's not what this purpose is for, right? This is stuff to enhance your profession if you're in the HVAC or in the plumbing and heating trades. That's simple. I wanted you to be hands-on with the equipment that we see at our clients' locations. And last but not least, I took it apart. We're going to put it back together. The US boiler Burnham X2 series cast iron boiler. It's a phenomenal machine. A little under 85% efficient, but thanks to our corporate sponsor, US Boiler and Modine, Webstone, we're going to put this together and we're going to make that fire up. It's going to be epic. Happy Friday. I love me Fridays. See you at 12:30. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe.